In this quick course, we will learn how to use Google Maps API and Cesium to display Google's 3D geographical data using high-resolution photorealistic 3D tiles in Unity. This is useful for creating fully immersive apps, games, simulations, and experiences with real-world 3D content. Cesium is a collection of platforms that offer tools to develop 3D geospatial application easily. The platforms include Cesium ION, Cesium JS, Cesium for Unity, Cesium for Unreal, and others. Cesium for Unity supports multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and VR platforms. However, it doesn't support WebGL so far. This is because Cesium already has its own open source JavaScript library for web applications. This is named Cesium JS. Google Maps platform is a set of APIs and SDKs that allows developers to embed Google Maps into applications. Let's start by signing up for Cesium if you don't have an account. I'll put the link in the description. Select I am a developer who wants to use Cesium ION in my apps. Cesium will send you an email to verify your account. Open the message in your email inbox and click the Verify Email link. Now, let's use the Google Maps platform to generate the Google Maps API key. I'll put the link in the description. If you don't have a Google Cloud account, you will need to set up one. Then, click Finish Account Setup. Then, click Start Free. Google currently offers a free trial with $300 in credit. Follow the steps to finish the free trial. You will need to provide payment details. However, Google will not charge you when you exceed the credit until you manually activate the account. Google required the payment information to help reduce fraud and abuse. Google also currently offers $200 usage every month for no charge or for free. This is about 28,500 map loads per month for free. Okay, so once the account is set up, go to the Google Maps platform. The link is in the description and click Get Started. Ensure you use the right Google account. Go to the Keys and Credentials section and click Create Credentials and select API Key. You can use the 3 dots settings icon to edit the key, including its name. Let's select Edit API Key and let's change the name to 3D Viewer, for instance. Then click Save. Now we can enable the APIs we need. Go to the APIs and Services section, select the Aerial View API and click Enable. Let's enable another API. Look for the Map Tiles API and click Enable. In this video, we signed up for Cesium and Google Maps platform. In the next video, we will set them up in Unity.